Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best grout cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to restore the pristine appearance of their tiled floors, transforming dingy, stained grout lines back to their original glory and making your entire floor look brand new again. This powerful formula is designed to penetrate deep into the porous surface of grout, effectively lifting and dissolving stubborn dirt, grime, mold, and mildew that regular cleaning methods often miss, ensuring a truly hygienic and visually appealing finish that will impress anyone who walks into your home. Number 5. Drillbrush Power Scrubber Brush Kit. Tired of scrubbing by hand? Transform your drill into a powerful scrubber that cuts cleaning time in half. These attachments are easy to use and install quickly, perfect for everyone. Our brush kit powers through tough grime on tubs, tiles, and sinks without scratching surfaces. Get a sparkling clean in your bathroom, kitchen, or garage. Each scrub brush is built for longevity, crafted from durable materials that hold up through tough cleaning sessions. They are made to last, no matter the job. These cleaning brushes rinse off easily after use, making cleanup a breeze. Store them away with no mess and no stress, for a cleaner, easier solution. Crafted by cleaning enthusiasts, our products are trusted by millions. Experience the difference with our innovative drill attachment scrub brushes. Use these attachments as a grout brush, tile scrubber, or shower scrubber. With 3 different sizes and shapes, they are perfect for all your cleaning needs. What we like? Transform your drill into a cleaning powerhouse. It cuts your cleaning time significantly, making tough jobs easy. If you are looking for a way to speed up your cleaning routine and tackle stubborn grime with less effort, this is the tool for you. What people say? This product is amazing for cleaning grout and tile floors. It works really well and leaves the floors looking like new. The design is sleek and modern, and it's very easy to use. Number 4. Better Life Floor Cleaner, Citrus Mint. Introducing a powerful, plant-derived cleaner that leaves your floor spotless. It's tough on grime but gentle on surfaces. From gleaming hardwood to durable tile, this multipurpose cleaner handles it all. Use it on laminate, vinyl, and bamboo too. Make your mopping routine a breeze. This liquid formula is designed for easy application, leaving a fresh scent behind. Enjoy the refreshing aroma of citrus and mint as you clean. It transforms your home into a more pleasant space. This pack comes with 2 32 fluid ounces bottles, ensuring you have plenty of cleaner on hand. Keep your home consistently fresh and clean. Choose a cleaner that's effective and made with your well-being in mind. Experience a better way to care for your floors. What we like? Achieve a brilliant shine on all your hard floors. This cleaner is safe for wood, tile, laminate, and vinyl surfaces. If you have multiple types of flooring and want a single, effective solution that leaves a pleasant scent, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The product is very effective in cleaning grout. It leaves the tile floors looking like new. The design of the applicator makes it easy to use on floors. Number 3. Goo Gone Grout and Tile Cleaner. Are you struggling with tough stains on your grout and tile? Our powerful cleaner is here to help you tackle dirt, mold, mildew, and soap scum with ease. Achieve a deep clean without harsh scrubbing. It's perfect for your shower tiles, bathroom floors, and countertops, leaving them looking like new. Worry no more about damaging your surfaces. This formula is safe for ceramic, porcelain, natural stone, and grout lines, ensuring a brilliant shine without discoloration. Experience professional-grade cleaning power in a convenient spray bottle. It penetrates deep to cut through years of grime, making your bathroom exceptionally clean. Using it is incredibly easy. Just spray, let it sit for a few minutes, scrub lightly if necessary, and rinse away for a spotless finish. From the trusted makers of Goo Gone, this specialized cleaner offers the same reliability for your toughest bathroom cleaning needs. It's made with quality ingredients right here in the USA. What we like? Tackle the most stubborn grout and tile stains with ease. It's formulated to be safe for all your tile surfaces, including ceramic and porcelain. If you're dealing with persistent mold, mildew, or hard water stains and want a powerful, reliable cleaner, this product is ideal. What people say? This product is a game changer for cleaning grout and tile floors. It effectively removes tough stains and grime, leaving floors looking like new. The design is ergonomic and easy to use, making the cleaning process less strenuous. Number 2. Ultimate Grout Cleaner for Tile and Grout, 32 ounces. Introducing our Ultimate Grout Cleaner, designed to tackle tough stains on your tile and grout. It's an acid-free formula that effectively removes grease, dirt, and soap scum. Experience a deep clean without the harshness of acids. This powerful formula works effectively to restore the original look of your surfaces. Worry less about damage. It is safe to use on marble and all other natural stone surfaces, ensuring a brilliant clean without compromising integrity. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. This cleaner effortlessly lifts away common household grime, leaving your tiles and grout looking like new. Get more cleaning power with our convenient 32-ounce bottle. It provides ample product for multiple uses, making it a great value for maintaining your home. What we like? Deep clean your tile floors without harsh chemicals. This acid-free formula is safe for marble and all natural stone. If you prioritize the safety of your delicate surfaces while still needing to remove grease, dirt, and soap scum, this cleaner is the perfect fit. What people say. The cleaner works well on grout and tile floors. It effectively removes dirt and grime from grout lines. The product leaves floors looking clean and refreshed. Number 1. 3-piece scrub brush set. Introducing our 3-piece scrub brush set, designed to tackle your toughest cleaning jobs. With durable bristles and an ergonomic handle, cleaning has never been easier. From bathrooms to kitchens, these brushes are your go-to for a spotless finish. They are perfect for showers, tiles, grout, and even bathtubs. Experience a comfortable grip with our specially designed ergonomic handles. The durable bristles ensure a long-lasting and effective clean every time. Say goodbye to scrubbing fatigue. These brushes make cleaning effortless, reaching every corner with ease. Get a superior clean with minimal effort. This set includes 3 essential brushes for all your cleaning needs. They are built to last and designed for maximum cleaning efficiency. What we like? Get a comfortable grip for effective scrubbing. These brushes feature durable bristles designed for tough cleaning tasks. If you prefer a manual approach and want a comfortable, reliable set of brushes for various cleaning jobs around your bathroom and kitchen, this set is a great option. What people say. The product works well and is effective. The design is functional and the features are useful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.